Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna cook spaghetti lautis. I'm boiling water right now. They're boiling right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put salt in there. Alright, first I'm gonna put salt in here. Alright, I'm dropping noodle in. Drop spaghetti. I will say cook about 20 minutes. Cook all of this. Alright, the noodle in, just cook for 20 minutes. Okay, I'll be back. Yep, 5 more minutes. Spaghetti almost done. Okay, the noodle done. Okay, the noodle done. Just put the oil, I don't want to stick together. Finish it up. Okay, noodle done. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make spaghetti, fresh tomato, olive, and lao basil. This is salt right here. That's spaghetti sauce, but not fresh. I have to add this one on. And I have 5 garlic. 5 garlic already in the pot right now. Okay, 5 garlic already in. I'm gonna go ahead and put tomato sauce in here. Tomato sauce, guys. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put this tomato, fresh tomato here. Smells so good. Okay. Tomato in. And this is meatball. Okay, meatball in. Very easy to cook spaghetti, guys. This is lautis. Okay, put everything in. I have to put the water clean the jar in here. Get more sauce. Okay, it smells so good. Right now, it smells so good. Okay, let me cook. I'm gonna fix the taste. Okay, this chicken broth powder. Okay, I'm gonna put 1 big spoon. Make a good taste. This is the hot garlic oil. I'm gonna put hot garlic oil to make a good spice in here. Loud taste, guys. Okay, stir. Looking good, right? Fresh tomato. Okay, I'm gonna cover up because when you cook spaghetti sauce, they jump. Cover up. Okay, tomato is sour. I like to add a little bit sugar, just a little bit. That's it. Yeah. Have to cover because tomato jump. Cover up. Okay, guys. Now this is olive oil. Olive. So go ahead, put olive in here. This is very good. Put spaghetti sauce. There you go. Yeah, you have it. And this is the lao basil. Put lao basil in there. Yum. Okay, ready to eat. Spaghetti sauce ready to eat, guys. Look at this. Yum. Awesome. Healthy homemade spaghetti. Okay, time to serve. มาเด้อพี่น้องเด้อมากินปุ่นอเมริกาเห็นบ่จะแซ่บบ่นะลูกส่งเห็นบ่แซ่บ Thank you guys for watching. Time to get busy.